So hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Techfanciers. So this is our Redmi Note 12 4G. So last time we have installed this particular Horizon Droid on our device. So currently, yes, of course, we will just go to our Redmi Note 12 4G community. So here we have the Android 16 beta lying around, which is almost same like our GSA or something which we have installed on our CMF phone one. So I'm not going to try this one. Once it gets more and more official and supported, I will just try to use it. As of now, I will just try this Android 15 based RisingOS Revive 7.1, which is this official one. So but there are some quirks, like this is just a vanilla build, so you have to download the G apps separately. So I will leave all the required files link in the description of this video. So this is the June security patch. Now almost it is July mid, and it has the MIUI camera and Dolby Atmos enabled. Those are really good, and they have suggested to use the Nix G apps core variant. So I will leave the repository of the Nix G apps. You can choose any variant whichever you want. So this is signed build, but you need PIF to pass the integrity. So we will check this. So other than that, everything is same. Like you need this firmware file, which also I will leave the link in the description of this video. So rest all are same. So first, what I'm going to do is, like, I have all the files in here. You see, like we have this firmware file, OS file, Orange Fox recovery, and then G apps, and then I have the ADB fastboot tool. So first I will open this ADB fastboot tool and open here, and then I'll go to this site path and I type CMD, so which will eventually open the CMD inside this particular folder. So now I will just turn off the device, and here I don't have the advanced restart, so I'll just turn off. Okay, so you can use volume down and the power button in order to get into this fastboot device. Fastboot. So hold it. Once the vibration comes, you can leave it. Yeah. So once the fastboot comes, you can connect it. So now I'll in this one I'll type fastboot devices, which will show whether the device is connected or not. It is connected. So now I use fastboot flash recovery. Okay, recovery, fastboot flash recovery, and then I need the image file, recovery image file. So here I have the zip file, so I can right click and extract all. Okay, now it is extracted in here. Here I have the recovery image file, so disk image, so I can drag and drop, and then I can click enter, which will flash the recovery in the fastboot. So once it is flashed successfully, you can use fastboot reboot recovery. Okay, now it should boot to the recovery. Yeah, it is successfully booted. This is, I forgot to turn off the pattern, so you make sure you turn off the pattern or any security locks before doing this. So yeah, okay, now it is decrypted. So first thing what I do is I'll go here, and then I'll just Dolby cache data, metadata, all I just okay. Once it is wiped, I'll go here, and then I can just use ADB Sideload. Okay, ADB Sideload, and I can enable ADB Sideload. Okay, now here I type ADB space Sideload space, and then I can just drag and drop the the firmware file. Okay, and then click enter. It will take few seconds. Yeah, so now we have flashed the firmware file successfully. I'll again go here and put ADB Sideload and click here. Okay, so in the current Sideload, ADB space Sideload space, I can just directly flash the RisingOS. Okay, So currently you can see that the current active partition is A. So now it is installing the flashing the zip file to inactive partition B. So the OS will be installed in B partition. Why you need to know this is like once you install the ROM and then restart the device, restart to recovery, the next reboot will be on the inactive partition, which is in the B in this scenario. So once you are in the B partition where the OS is installed, you need to install the G apps. Hope you understood. You are not supposed to install the G apps right now in the right format, because G apps, I believe G apps won't install in both the partition, both A and B. So yeah, OS will always install in the inactive partition. So once you install the OS, you need to again install the recovery now and then reboot to recovery. So it will be in the B partition, B slot. Once it is in B slot, you will be able to install the GFs. It will change, like currently inactive partition is B. In your scenario, the inactive partition may be A partition. So accordingly you can do. If you have any doubt on this AB partition, I have made a video, so you can check it by clicking the link here. So this will take some time because the voice is almost 1.4 GB. So yeah, now this has been installed. So next I will again do this ADB Sideload. Okay, and I can flash the Orange Fox recovery. Usually this Orange Fox recovery will automatically get installed, but just for safer side I will just flash it. So as you know, our inactive partition is B. So here you see in both the partition this Orange Fox recovery is getting installed. So now once it is turned restarted, if it is in B partition, we can directly go ahead and install the G apps. We should also have to format the data. So now it is in which partition it is? Reboot. So active, switch to A slot, the slot B is active. So now it is the partition has been reverted. So yeah, good, it is good that it is reverted. So I can just go ahead and here and type yes, format the data. Okay, now so we need to reboot to recovery again in the B partition. So for that ADB Sideload, and then I'll drag and drop this. Before that I'll go here and put I don't want this much things. Okay, yeah, so I will flash this read write operation thing. I believe I no need to format the internal storage or format the data. Okay, now it is done. So what I do is I'll go back and I even can go to reboot and reboot recovery. I'll do once again this reboot recovery. After that I'll just directly install the next G apps. Yeah, now I go to ADB Sideload and then enable the Sideload. Okay, in the PC I can just click enter. Now it should install. Yeah, it is getting installed, so it's working. Yeah, it is done. So I can just directly reboot to the system. It should work. Even can disconnect this cable. Yeah, it's getting booted to InfinityX. Not InfinityX, it is RisingOS revived. It's good looking. Yeah, now we are in the RisingOS. Okay, English India. Okay, SIM detector, it automatically get code this one. Okay, no skip. Okay, we do not have the normal Google apps, so it doesn't work, the restore option. Okay, here we have pattern and fingerprint. I'll use pattern. Yeah, I'll add face and lock as well. Face and lock added. I'll use a dark theme. Yeah, page navigation, it's fine. Okay, if you have to be what you have to be, you have to be what you have to be. If you want it, then achieve it. Yeah, fine. Also, I didn't sign into this Google account, so I will check that as well. So if you open this one and open what setting and about, so device is not certified. Yeah, we know this, it is not certified. And if I go here, and I actually like this setups, like here you can find what is this battery level, all the things, and here you have the storage related. So these two icons good. So here I have the personalization, like in here I have themes, toolbar, colors, and different things are there. It's cool. So what if I depth wallpaper? Okay, because subject image, nothing is there. Okay, so artist setting, what is this artist setting? So artist is this launcher, I believe. So there are multiple settings is there, that's cool. Okay, themed icon. Okay, now it is we are getting this feel. What and all wallpapers are there, change wallpaper. Okay, there's nothing, even you can't set this device wallpaper, so you have a on device wallpaper. Okay, only one, this is fine. And RisingOS 4.0. okay, RisingOS Wukong wallpaper, so this is what we are using, I believe. So nothing phone 2a, so we have nothing wallpapers also, that's good. And Midjourney, okay, Pixel 8a. RisingOS, I like this wallpaper somewhat. I don't like it. So if I hold here, do I get to replace? Yeah, I can reduce the size and increase it. So those are there. So yeah, you can resize these things, that is really great. And if you click here, you can reduce. So it's showing percentage also, that's great. You have multiple tons and tons of customization, that is cool. And you have the system, and go to not system update. Actually it is official one, you can do the system update. If I go about phone, and this is good. So this is actually good looking. Android 15, the wallpaper official, 7.1 soon. Okay, chipset resolution. Okay, all the things are cool stuffs. I go to here. So this is actually June 1 2025 security patch, 1 month old. Okay, we have Android 15. Okay, nothing to complain much, so all are looking good, so feeling smooth also. So I will be using this as my daily driver, and we will get to like what exactly this is. So yeah, thanks for watching Code Moto. So if you have this device, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel to get more Redmi Note 12 4G videos. So yeah, thanks for watching Code Moto. Bye bye.